Are you ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level? In this video, we're diving into the top drones for 2025, covering everything from cutting-edge technology to unmatched performance. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the full list and exclusive deals. Let's fly high together. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 has made a significant impact in the world of compact drones, showcasing a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. This lightweight drone, weighing in at just under 250 grams, is perfect for both amateurs and seasoned pilots looking for a portable flying camera that doesn't compromise on performance. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its impressive camera capabilities. It boasts a 1.1.3-inch sensor that can capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every aerial shot is sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. With a maximum ISO of 6400, the Mini 3 performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, making it an ideal companion for twilight or dawn shoots. Additionally, the DJI Mini 3 offers a suite of intelligent shooting modes that elevate your creative potential. Features like Focus Track allow the drone to automatically follow and capture subjects, while the Quick Shots mode lets users execute complex maneuvers with just a few taps. This makes it easier than ever to create cinematic footage that looks professionally produced. Battery life is another area where the Mini 3 excels, providing up to 38 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can spend more time in the air capturing the perfect shot, whether you're filming a scenic landscape or documenting an adventure. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo represents a significant advancement in the realm of aerial technology, showcasing DJI's commitment to innovation and user-friendly design. This drone is not just a tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage, it's a versatile platform that caters to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Equipped with cutting-edge imaging technology, the DJI Neo boasts a high-resolution camera that captures stunning 4K video and high-quality stills, ensuring that every moment is preserved in remarkable detail. The gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth footage even in challenging flight conditions, making it an ideal choice for filmmakers and content creators. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its enhanced flight capabilities. With an extended flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, users can enjoy longer sessions in the air without the constant worry of battery life. The drone's advanced obstacle avoidance system uses multiple sensors to detect and navigate around obstacles, allowing for safe and confident flying in a variety of environments. Moreover, the DJI Neo is designed with user experience in mind. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly app interface make it accessible for beginners while also offering advanced features for seasoned pilots, such as customizable flight modes and intelligent shooting options. With its robust build quality and sleek design, the DJI Neo is not only a high-performance drone, but also a stylish one that stands out in the market. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a remarkable advancement in the world of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that cater to both amateur and professional filmmakers. This drone boasts an impressive dual camera system with one lens featuring a 4.3 CMOS sensor, allowing for stunning aerial photography and videography with rich detail and vibrant colors. The second camera is optimized for telephoto shots, providing versatile shooting options that can capture breathtaking landscapes from a distance. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its extended flight time, offering up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This means you can spend more time capturing the perfect shot without the constant worry of needing to land for a battery swap. Additionally, the drone's enhanced obstacle sensing technology ensures safer flying, with omnidirectional sensors that help avoid collisions and facilitate smooth navigation through challenging environments. The Mavic 3 Pro also incorporates advanced intelligent shooting modes, such as Master Shots and Focus Track, which simplify the filmmaking process by automating complex maneuvers and keeping subjects in focus. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to explore your creative side or a professional videographer needing reliable equipment for high-quality productions, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Moreover, the drone's sleek and foldable design makes it incredibly portable, allowing you to take it on all your adventures without hassle. Number 2. Best obstacle avoidance system. When it comes to aerial technology, having the best obstacle avoidance system is crucial for ensuring safe and efficient operation. Modern drones and advanced robotic systems are equipped with sophisticated sensors and algorithms designed to detect and navigate around obstacles in real time. These systems enhance flight safety by preventing collisions during autonomous flight and allowing for smoother navigation in complex environments. The best obstacle avoidance systems utilize a combination of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR technology to create a comprehensive 360-degree awareness of their surroundings. This multifaceted approach allows the system to accurately interpret its environment, identify potential hazards, and make instantaneous adjustments to avoid them. Moreover, advanced machine learning algorithms enable these systems to improve over time, learning from past encounters and refining their decision-making processes. Not only do these systems enhance safety, but they also significantly boost the user experience. Drones equipped with top-tier obstacle avoidance technology can be flown with greater confidence, enabling users to focus on capturing stunning aerial footage or completing tasks without the constant worry of potential crashes. Whether navigating through dense forests, urban landscapes, or indoors, these systems provide peace of mind for both amateur and professional users alike. Furthermore, the best obstacle avoidance systems are designed to be user-friendly, often featuring intuitive interfaces that provide real-time feedback on the drone's surroundings. This empowers users to make informed decisions and enhances their ability to control the device effectively. In conclusion, having the best obstacle avoidance system is a game changer in the world of drones and robotics. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro represents a significant advancement in the realm of compact drones, catering to both novice and experienced pilots alike. With its lightweight design weighing in at under 249 grams, it falls within regulatory limits that often allow for easier flight without the need for extensive licensing. This makes it an appealing option for hobbyists and travelers seeking to capture breathtaking aerial footage without the hassle of cumbersome equipment. Equipped with an impressive camera system, the Mini 4 Pro is capable of shooting stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is captured in vivid detail. The drone features a larger sensor than its predecessors, which enhances low light performance and results in clearer images even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the drone supports advanced HDR capabilities, allowing for a greater dynamic range in your footage. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its enhanced obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing multiple cameras and sensors, the drone can detect obstacles in its flight path and navigate around them, making it safer and easier to fly in various environments. This is particularly beneficial for those who may be less experienced with flying drones, as it minimizes the risk of crashes. The Mini 4 Pro also boasts impressive flight time, offering up to 34 minutes of airtime on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can maximize your shooting time and minimize interruptions, allowing for more creativity in your aerial photography and videography.